I'm the star. I'm the big shot around here. Nobody tells me what to do.
Hi sparkly vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pinupsavimonroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage hauls, vintage tutorials. That is a niche on this channel, so please hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you guys can get more updates on more videos. So without further ado, this topic on this channel is going to be pinup and burlesque tips, content ideas tips. And I have some good tips for you guys if you are interested on getting into burlesque or pinup. And I cannot wait to share these tips with you guys and what I do. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, sparkly vixens, so if you have followed me for a long time, you know that I mostly use Instagram. I use Instagram. I've been on TikTok, even though I hope TikTok does not go away because I really do love TikTok. But I have been using Instagram. I have a Facebook fan page. All my links is down in the description box below, so I hope you guys can check that out. And please, guys, please share, like, subscribe, share my video so it can help other people. This is a labor of love to me, and I really love helping people when it comes to these topics. So please, like, share, subscribe, and add your thoughts. And hey, if you have any tips that can go along with the tips I'm about to share, let me know. All right, tip number 1, plan out your content. Now guys, when I first started my pinup journey and stuff, when I first started being more social on social media, I was not planning anything. When I mean plan, have you research ideas, add them to a planner, write it down, get images, whatever you need to remind you of the plan, of the idea. So I have a planner. I have a planner that I use. I have my notebooks. Guys, I'm really huge on this. I'm really big on planning my ideas, so I highly recommend that. If you guys, are not big on writing things down, then at least capture images on what you want to emulate and cultivate to make it your own, where you can show your ideas and your content. That's what I do. So when it comes to planning out your content, I like to, make sure I have my outfits together, my makeup together, what's my hairstyle gonna be. You want to have a plan. So yes, the first tip I have for you is plan out your content. Tip number 2, film what you do and how you get ready. Film how you get ready. How do you do your hair? How do you do your makeup? How do you plan your outfits? Film everything that you do. And I'm going to get more into doing that once I post more videos, vixens, because I want to show you guys like my daily life. I don't want to just show y'all when I get ready and stuff. I want to show more, make it more cinematical for you guys and make it more into a movie. So make it into a show. So when you do film, do you want to just film tutorials, or do you want to have like your own TV show? And that's what I'm trying to do, is make it into a TV show. So if I was you guys, I would film everything that I do to show, because if you notice now, more people are loving more longer content videos. So I highly recommend recording way longer videos. So yeah, that is tip number 2. Tip number 3, batch your content. And guys, this is a lifesaver. When I tell y'all I batch my content, I take a day and I used to film 3 times out the week, and I would be drained doing that. And I do not recommend anyone doing that unless you want to do that, but I don't recommend it. But batch your content. What I mean by that is take one good day, start out early, and batch and plan and do as many content videos, reels, posts, TikToks, anything that you want to show. Batch your content And also, you know, how you can do that is once you, if you're filming a video and you have the same hairstyle and outfit, change your outfit, change your hairstyle, and then do something else in your photos. You know, batch your content so you can have plenty of content to post throughout the week, throughout the month. You know, that has saved me so much time. I have batched my content plenty of times and was able to post videos like that. I highly recommend batching your content. That is tip number 3. Tip number 4. Now the last tip I have for this video is remix, reuse. And what I mean by that is remix and reuse your content, your old content, even content you posted from 2011, post it again. If it's a good video that gotten you a lot of likes, a lot of shares, repost, remix it, put a new song on it. Remix it and edit it differently. Photos you don't think anyone cares about, remix them, re-edit them, and post them. I cannot tell you how much photos I have where I have not posted, and that is content. So use that as content. Like, you can take your old photos, your old videos, anything you have that can help you push out more content where you are consistent, that helps. And guys, I promise you it will save you a lot of time. Reuse, remix all your old content. Repost content that went viral. Repost content that went really well. Repost content that didn't do so well. Repost all your content. Remix it. Re-edit. I highly recommend that. That is what I do all the time. That is kind of why I'm so consistent on Instagram. Consistent on Instagram is because I remix, reuse. It's a lifesaver. Alright, Vixens, that is it. That is the video for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. I really love, you know, coming up with new topics and thinking about new topics for videos. It's not always just about me doing my makeup and here and here. I want to talk about different topics and make it more into a story and more into a show for you guys. So I hope you guys take this video and you use it as something useful for you. If you want to get into pinup and burlesque, I highly recommend that you do these tips because it's a lifesaver. So yes, thank you for watching this video, Vixens. I really appreciate you. Thank you to my new Vixens that are in here. Thank you for supporting my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you babies again soon. Bye, loves.